Good morning! Naami challenge ni Court. Ano ni? Mag-challenge mi. Di lagi maglindog ang atong kabo, ang atong kuan. I need something to put. Ala. Okay. Okay, ikaw. Okay. Bato-bato pick siya tagi. Kasi nauna. Okay. Paper. Ano pa na?
Batu pick.
Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick. Ako una. Sige. Sige. Ito kong ingon mo ganiya. Okay, what if magkuan mi og what if challenge. Okay. Ali diri sa kamera. Okay na. Okay. Sige. What if maungo ko?
Ilabay.
Ha?
Ilabay.
Ha? Unsa?
Ilabay.
Unsa ilabay? Ilabay ko nimo? Asa mo ko nimo ilabay?
The water.
Sa?
The water.
Sa outside?
The out water. The water, the sea. You can eat.
Do you know what is ungo?
Yeah?
Unsa man na? Unsa man na ungo?
Monster and zombie.
Okay, ikaw na po. It's your turn. Okay, go. Dali.
No.
Hmm?
I don't know what to say.
Hmm? Di na. What if raman? What if? Dali. Okay, what if ako. Ikaw na pod.
I'm trying to sing.
Ikaw na pod.
I'm trying to sing.
Okay. Okay, what if what if mauli ko? Nya dili mo kuyog na ako. Hmm? Usay sulti nimo. Usay ikasulti nimo. What will you say? What can you say about it?
Do you think I will hide in it? Katong ko
Luggage? Suitcase? Mo hide ka sa suitcase. Di naman ka masulod kay dako naman ka. Okay lagi imong bones murag fish kay mo ana ra ka. Okay, what if ihatag tikaw? Ihatag tika. Kay badlongon kay ka. Badlongon ka? Bad ka? Okay, what if ihatag tika? What can you say? Ayaw. What if ihatag tika? Uy.
I come back. I come back.
You come back?
Yeah, hide.
Hide. Okay. What if inigmata na to ugma ka na natas Pilipinas? Ha?
I will go swimming pool straight ahead.
You're going to swimming pool straight ahead. What if manika kraka? What if manika ra ka di ka tinuod ka taw? O tanawa. Ako man sige ana imong bukton sa una be. Gamay pa ka. Hala, kahumok man imong bukton. Awa. Ikaw na pod.
I don't know what to say.
Ikaw na pod. Ikaw na pod. Ikaw na pod.
Yeah.
O, ikaw na pod, be.
No.
Nagbato-batupik man ta. Sige na.
No, you have to double that. You're done.
Ha?
You're done.
Court, do you know what is doppelganger?
No.
That's someone that like your personality. Like your twins.
Twin. I don't have
It's just like a clone. Like someone like the same your face, the same your personality. That is doppelganger. Now I searched it because I saw it somewhere in the news.
Where?
But what? Huh? Basta na.
Where? I wanna see.
Ah.
I wanna see the truth.
Oh, wow.
Wait. Wait, really?
Lagi.
It's me?
Doppelganger.
Doppelganger.
Doppelganger. Di mo ni mao.
Ganger.
Doppelganger. Kani. Oh. A ghostly double of a living person and a person who looks very similar to other person. Like this.
I know.
Look, like them. That's a doppelganger. They're not twins, they're not related, but they have the same personality like this. Look.
But I saw a movie called The Zombies.
The same
Yeah, it looked
Fake.
like you, ma. Katong movie. Katong school. It looked like you. The same hair, the same. You got married.
Really? Where?
In a movie, Rambo.
In the school?
Oh. No, in the movie school.
Where? Find it.
No.
Find.
You have to get in Netflix.
Wa man tay Netflix. Wa man tay Netflix.
Looks funny.
Mao na sila. They're not twins, but they're kuan.
Like this?
Dili oy. Pare na go mga ta, pares ano niya pares ano yung mga artista na ikuan. Pares siguro ano niya, dili man na sila igsuon pero pares sila og ngan. Bye mga amiga.